Hi, I'm Neha. I'm the UX designer from Google. I work for enterprise solution, especially for the cloud designs. And today I'm here for a jury for the interaction design students. And the one project which stood out today, it was June's project, which is called as Rider Dash. And in Rider Dash, what I saw is that he's addresses the issue from coming from physical as well as the digital world, and that's where I think every student should lead their project into, because we are designing for the ecosystem, and when we addresses the issues from coming from an ecosystem, it becomes a holistic design. So at Google, we usually work with a team across the globe. And why we work is also to understand the different perspective coming from different, locations and also their experiences. And that's when, we stand out as a global design. And we also have standard way of designing, something we call it as CUJs or jobs to be done, which is like addressing the core need of the user. CUJ stands for customer user journey, and jobs to be done is basically understanding the overall business aspect of the product. So once we know that, it's actually shared with along all the designers across the globe, and then we actually create our solution according to that, and then we addresses that issues in that. Now AI is getting popular in most of the products right now. So as in Google as well, we emphasize on AI aspect of interactions. So we are actually in Google, we have AI standard design patterns and components which we are actually started off with. But when you come to designing, let's say something for a user, at the end it's all about, you have to address their right pain point, right? Every aspect of AI should also talk about in that extent. Also, it should not be considered as that AI is going to take over most of the work which the user is trying to do. So AI is not only about automation. AI is also to help customer provide suggestions, and the customer can take certain decision on top of that. That's what AI is all about today, and that's it. Yeah. Tagline we use: we design for everyone, all the users, including new user, novice user. We're also looking at experts or advanced user. We're also looking at the other aspect of accessibility, people with different challenges. So we design for everyone. That's the one tagline what Google is all about.